In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a layer in Grayscale in Krita using a super quick method that's perfect for testing values, simplifying artwork, or creating a black and white version of your image without starting over. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your artwork in Krita and look at the Layers panel. Click the layer that you want to change. This is important because the grayscale effect will only apply to the selected layer. If you have multiple layers in your document, make sure you choose the exact one you want to desaturate. Once the correct layer is selected, press Ctrl Shift U on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the desaturation option in Krita, which is the fastest way to turn color into grayscale. When the pop-up window appears, you'll see different desaturation modes. These modes affect how the final grayscale result looks, so you can choose the one that best fits your project. For example, one mode may preserve more contrast, while another may give you a softer black and white look. If you're working on character art, concept art, or a sketch cleanup, it's a good idea to preview the different options before confirming. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that gives you the tone and balance you want. After selecting your desaturation mode, you have two options. If you want a permanent change, click OK. This will apply the grayscale effect directly to the layer. That's the simplest choice if you're sure you want the layer converted to black and white. But if you want more flexibility, click Filter Mask instead. This creates a non-destructive grayscale effect, which means you can toggle it on and off anytime without permanently changing the layer itself. This is especially useful if you think you might want to bring the color back later, or if you want to compare the colored and grayscale versions side by side while you work. Using a filter mask is a smart workflow because it gives you more control over your edits. You can always adjust, hide, or remove it later without losing the original colors. That makes it a great option for artists who like to experiment or revise their work as they go. So, to recap, select the layer, press Ctrl Shift U, choose your desaturation mode, then either click OK for a direct grayscale conversion or click Filter Mask for a non-destructive version you can toggle anytime. It's fast, simple, and very useful in everyday Krita workflows. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.